Today we're at the southwest part of China's Guizhou province. Right now I am holding a special kind of instrument. It's named pipa in Chinese. It's also called lute, an early type of musical instrument with strings played like a guitar. It has 3 strings and 4 notes and with over 600 years of history. People of Dong nationality will use this special instrument to play the grand song of Dong nationality. It is a kind of chorus with high-pitched voices. Both male and female will participate in this chorus to celebrate important occasions like wedding ceremony and festivals. Next, let's appreciate their beautiful voices and the cheerful music.
这个琵琶歌，从整个总的叫洪州琵琶歌，但是洪州琵琶歌它有很多种类的，有歌声爱情的，歌声劳动的，歌声礼俗的，种种内容很广泛了。那么到今天已经660年的时间，侗族人民呢喜欢这个，创造了洪州琵琶歌啊，也维护了洪州琵琶。